Located in the southeastern part of Nigeria, few cities are as spectacular as the city of Enugu, the capital of Enugu State and home to over 1 million people. When it comes to good life, Enugu is hard to top. Surrounded by beautiful hills, what began as a coal mine in 1915 within a century has transformed into a model city. From its rough and troubled beginning in an area known as Ogbete, it blossomed into a beautiful city. Up until 1915, what is today known as the Coal City State was just forests and farmlands. Enugu derived its name from two Igbo words, Enu and Ugwu, which in English language means hilltop, denoting the beautiful topography of the city. After the establishment of the Southern Nigeria Protectorate by the British Colonial Administration in 1900, in 1903, the Europeans arrived the area known today as Enugu in search of valued mineral resources. By 1903, coal, which gave Enugu the name Coal City, was discovered around Enugu-Ngwo. By 1913, the coal was confirmed to be in commercial quantity. In 1915, the first coal mine, known as Sudi Mine, was opened. This resulted in the influx of people to the area in search of good life. In 1917, Iva Valley Mine was opened, making Enugu a major coal mining area and the only significant one in West Africa. In 1916, part of Enugu reserved for the Europeans was set up by the colonial government. The area now known as GRA became European quarters, while the area developed for African residents was set up south of Oboete River and what is today known as Coal Camp. By 1917, Enugu has officially gained a township status and witnessed a rapid influx of migrant workers. To accommodate the workers, camps were created within the Ude Hills, near the coal mines like Alfred Camp, Iron Camp, Eva Valley, among others. In 1938, Enugu became the administrative capital of Eastern Region. With its industrialization, the population of the city rose to 26,000. Enugu became a municipality in 1956, with Umaru as the first mayor of the city. So far, Enugu have served as the capital of East Central State. After its creation in 1967, Enugu have also served as the capital of the defunct Republic of Biafra, the capital of old Anambra State, and currently the capital of Enugu State, after its creation in 1991. Over the years, the city of Enugu has expanded with gorgeous city suburbs like the New Layout, GRA, Independent Layout, Maryland, Asata, Transikulu, Tinkers Corner, Emene, Abakpa, Ido River, Achala Layout, Ugwaji, Owane, among many others. For first-timers in the city of Enugu, Enugu can feel like a boring city with zero social activities. The quickest way to immerse yourself with the lifestyle of the city is to join the trademark workout routine every Saturday at Opera Square. If you are an outdoor person and enjoys hangout, there are numerous hangout groups in the city. You can also join a hiking group to numerous hills and waterfalls within the state. If you are an adventurer, you can go on a solo hike to the numerous hills within the city and enjoy the beautiful view of the city from the hilltop. If you are a foodie visiting Enugu for the first time, don't forget to enjoy the local delicacies of the city. Enugu prides itself as the food capital of Nigeria, as it is home to most of the popular delicacies and foods in Nigeria, like Okpa, Abacha, Ogba, Nkwobi, Achịcha, Ụkwa, Akidi, Isiewu, Ofe Ọha, among others. If you are new to the city of Enugu and looking for places to go shopping, there are many markets, shopping complex, mall and stores in the city. But the two major markets in the city are the Ogbete main market and the Area market. There is also a night market for those who could not shop in the morning and wish to get the food stuff at night.
Anyị nwekwa derived anti-dandruff cream maka ndị isi na-akọ ọkọ. Oge ọbụla iji pin na-adụ n'isi, ị na-akọ aka gbamgbam ka onye isi mgbaka na-ebi. Ya were derived
Just along the Abakaliki Road is the Newberries Park. You don't need a ticket to have a good time and enjoy a live performance at the park. Just within the park is the National Museum of Unity. There you will have to learn about the history of the city and that of the Igbo race. The two major suburbs and the most expensive in the city of Enugu are the GRA and Independent Layout. While GRA is home to most of the state institutions and financial institutions, it is also home to some of the parks, gardens and restaurants like the Magic Garden, Polo Park Mall, Newberries Park, Enugu Golf Club, among others. Independent Layout is home to some of the top hotels, lounge and clubs. Other major places in Independent Layout include the Enugu State Mall, Unity Park, Okpala Square, ESBS, NTA, Federal High Court, Industrial Court, Government House, among others. Enugu is arguably the safest city in Nigeria and the most perfect and ideal city to raise a family. Aside from the water scarcity that some part of the city experiences during dry season, Enugu has it all. This is Enugu. Welcome to Coal City.